In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Timesheet 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to record your hours accurately so your time is captured for the correct day or week. First, open your Jobber account in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. This is where all the core areas of Jobber live. Scan down that sidebar until you find the option labeled Timesheets. When you see it, click it to open the Timesheets area. At the top of the Timesheets page, choose the view that makes the most sense for what you're entering today. You can switch between day and week. Day view is great when you're entering a single shift or making a quick correction. Week view makes it easier to review a whole pay period at a glance. Pick the one you prefer, then move to the date selector. Click the date field and use the calendar picker to choose the exact day you worked. If you're backfilling past time or preparing upcoming entries, use the arrows to navigate to the correct month and confirm you're in the right pay period. Now you're ready to record your hours. Find the start time field and enter the time you began working. Pay close attention to AM and PM so you don't accidentally log overnight hours. If there's a drop-down, pick the precise time. If it's a text field, type it in using the required format. Next, move to the end time field and enter when you finished for the day. Again, double check AM and PM. If your organization tracks unpaid breaks as separate entries, make sure your start and end reflect only the hours you're logging for this segment. As soon as both times are in, Jobber will automatically calculate the duration for you. Give it a moment and confirm the total matches what you expect. If the number looks off, review your start and end times, especially the date and AM/PM settings. Small details can shift totals by hours. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are stored. If you spot something that needs an adjustment, simply update the time fields and save again. A quick tip: before you leave the page, glance at the selected day or week to ensure the entry appears exactly where you intended. That's it. You've navigated to Timesheets, set your day or week, selected the date, entered your start and end times, verified the duration, and saved your entry. Thanks for watching, and keep your timesheets accurate to make payroll and reporting smooth.